Hello, in front of me I have Google Pixel Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings, and in settings you should see the option called connectivity. Tap on it, then scroll down, select the Wi-Fi option, and here make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled. Okay, once you enable the Wi-Fi network, you can scroll down, and here you should see the list of connected networks, but we'll come back to this later. Now scroll down, find the option Add Network, and if you tap on it, it will open the list of networks nearby. And to connect to the network, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it to select it. As you can see, this network requires password, so we need to scroll down and select one of the options. You can tap on Enter on Phone, and this will open the application, Google Pixel application on your phone, and then you can use it to enter the password for the network, or you can tap on Enter on Watch. This will open the keyboard on your watch, and you can enter the password there. So let's select Enter on Watch, and give me a couple of seconds, I'm gonna enter the password. And once you're done entering the password, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you connect to the network, you should see it and it should say connected. You can also go back to the Wi-Fi settings, and here it will say, it will display the network you're connected to. And as you can see, it says last used, and it should be connected. Okay, so that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. And to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, simply open the Wi-Fi menu, Wi-Fi settings, scroll down, find the option called Save Networks, and tap on it to open the list of the networks you are connected to and you have saved on your watch. You can find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on the X button next to it, tap on the check mark to forget it and disconnect from it. You can do the same for this one. And once you're done, it will disconnect from the network. And if you open the list of networks, so let's tap on Add Networks. As you can see, it says this can't connect to this network, but this one is disconnected. It doesn't say connected anymore. And also there was one we removed before, but only this one is here. Okay. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.